Yes, good afternoon students. Today we are going to learn the set of recommendations. What is recommendation? Of course, why engineers have to use recommendations or frame recommendations in future. So when it comes to technical way of writing, so you people have to learn the technical aspect of language like writing instructions or writing descriptions or process writing or transfer of information. In last class we learned what is active and passive voice. Of course, in most of the technical writing, when it comes to journal or business proposal or report writing, you are supposed to make up in passive voice, especially when it comes to impersonal passive voice. You have to look into that. Okay, likewise, recommendation plays a major role. Before entering into this topic, this carries out almost 8 or 16 marks when it comes to semester examination. So you have to pay closer attention towards it, and it is very easy for you to grab marks once you understand the format and how to tailor or construct this recommendations. So when it comes to recommendation, oftentimes we have heard how to write a recommendation letter for a friend or somebody else, right? So here, recommendation is nothing but recommendations are the suggestions given on a particular issue. So being an engineer, every time, even in industry or corporate sector or even in core offices, you will encounter or face not many technical issues. Not only technical issues, apart from that, we might have a kind of communication issues or disruptions. So at that time, you people have to frame a kind of suggestions or recommendations to resolve the conflict or the issues. So that's the format how to make out these recommendations. Okay, so these are the steps to be followed. So oftentimes, whenever you construct a report, you have to see this particular verb is there in the report. For example, should. So when you are doing a recommendation or framing a recommendation line, you have to add should and then have to and need to. We'll check out all these with an example. Got it, all of you? Next, when it comes to the pattern, you have to start the recommendation with all these phrases. What is the difference between phrase and sentence? Sentence that makes complete sense. When it comes to phrases, it does not make complete sense. Unless the sentence you have to add on to complete this particular phrase. Got it, all of you? So whenever you construct the recommendations, so they might ask 8 recommendations to save petrol, 8 recommendations to keep the environment clean and green. So you have to jot out with 8 recommendations. So how will you write the recommendations? That plays a major role. So this is the pattern. You see here, it is proposed that. So you can start with, it is proposed that. Or it is advised to. It is recommended to. It is imperative. What does the term imperative means? Important. Got it, all of you? It is suggested. Then it is necessary that. So oftentimes, whenever you construct instructions, you have to see that those instructions start with these phrases, group of words. Got it, all of you? And then here is a model. So how to improve our fluency, English fluency. So write 8 set of instructions. So when you face this question, you have to write 8 recommendations. So here, it is proposed to talk only in English in the classroom. So that is the first prior and prime solution you are recommending to improve the fluency. Got it, all of you? And second one, it is advised to listen. So we all know the 4 skill sets when it comes to English speaking. What are the 4 skill sets? Listening, speaking, reading and writing. So it is advised to listen to English news, podcasts, TED Talks, etc. etc. You can add on documentaries or English movies. Likewise, you can add on. So this is the second right recommendation. So third recommendation. So you have used already it is proposed. And here we have used it is advised. And next you can use it is imperative. It is important to read daily. Of course, the newspapers or whatever books you face on. You can take up novels or fictions or whatever it is. And then comes it is suggested to use. So whenever you read, you have to see that you use your dictionary in order to improve your vocabulary skill. So it is suggested to use dictionary while reading books. And then comes, it is again imperative or advised or proposed to write diary. So every day you can write your daily routine. So what you did right from morning till night. So you can describe those in words. So you could improve your writing skill. So when it comes to English, at most the 4 skills should be focused. That is listening, speaking, reading and writing. Likewise, the recommendation question might fall under different umbrellas or different purviews to save petrol, so to keep the environment green and clean, to maintain computers. So don't get confused with the instructions what we learned in the last class and with the recommendations. So this all will follow the same umbrella, but the way we write that matters a lot. Got it all of you? Any doubt in this part? No. Okay, thank you.